Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the wolf wave formation, how you can make money trading only this pattern. The fact is you can make money and be successful trading only this pattern, and we're going to show you how. The wolf wave pattern is similar to the Elliott wave pattern, but it's an advanced version of Elliott wave. Now, how can you identify this pattern? Remember, it is made up of 5 alternative waves. Though it's the same as the Elliott wave, but the wolf wave is more powerful because it highlights the supply and demand imbalance in the market and possible equilibrium price points. It is so coherent that it can actually forecast where the price is going and also how much time it will take to get there. This is what I mean. The fact is, most professional traders use only the wolf wave for long-term forecasting and take their trade in the predicted direction of the longer time frame. Uses only the wolf wave for long-term forecasting and take their trade in the predicted direction of the longer time frame. See, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. In doing this, they can predict the direction of the wave and where the market is headed. For here, you can see that the market is headed to the 5th wave. So you can actually predict where the market is going all the way to the 5th wave. Now, for this pattern to work, it's better to pay attention to the corresponding rules of this pattern. This will help you to trade the wolf wave successfully. Professional traders trade over the wolf wave. Most professional traders use only the wolf wave for long-term forecasting and take their trade in the predicted direction of long time frame. While wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So in doing this, they can predict where the market is going, the direction of the market. From this, you can see that the market is headed to wave 5. It's very plain to see. After wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, they can predict that yes, it's going to wave 5. Now, for this pattern to work, it is better to pay attention to the corresponding rules and regulations of this pattern. This will help you to trade the pattern more successfully. Remember, it is consisted of 5 waves, while wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. The rules are simple. Wave 3, rule number 1, wave 3 and wave 4 must be contained within a channel created by wave 1 and wave 2. We are saying that the wave 3 and wave 4 must be contained within the channel created by the wave 1 and wave 2. Rule number 2, wave 1 and wave 2 equals wave 3 and 4, which should highlight a perfect symmetry. Rule number 3, wave 5 breaks above the trend line created by wave 1 and wave 3. Wave 5 breaks above the trend line created by wave 1 and wave 3. Now, this is what you should consider if you are drawing this pattern. This is all over. Now, this is what you should consider if you are drawing this pattern. This is how you do it. It's so simple. It's not that difficult. Now, this is what you should consider if you are drawing this pattern. It's very simple. It's not difficult. First of all, connect your wave 1 and wave 2. After connecting your wave 1 and wave 2, connect your wave 3. Once this price is going down, it's going to the lower down, the lower price point, you have your wave 3. First, connect your wave 1 and wave 2. Then connect your wave 3. Once the price is lower than the wave 1, then it's in place. Remember, the wave 3 must be lower than wave 1. Then next wave 4 must be lower than wave 2. Wave 3 must be lower than wave 1. When you want to connect a wave 4, it must be lower than wave 2. So once the wave 3 is lower than wave 1 and wave 4 is lower than wave 2, then you have your perfect. When you see that you have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 in a channel in place, then you just have to wait for your wave 5. Remember, connect your wave 1 and 2 and wait for price to break lower to the downside of wave 1. Once the wave 3 is lower than wave 1, then wait for the 4th wave, which should be lower than wave 2. And once you have gotten your wave 4, you wait for the 5th wave. Price should come all the way to touch the 5th wave. That is the perfect wave. Connecting the wave 1 and wave 3, and also the wave 4. After connecting the wave 1 and 2, wave 3 is lower than wave 1. If the wave 4 is higher than wave 2, then it's invalidated. And if wave 3 is not lower than wave 1, you don't have a wave. So the rules are simple. Wave 3 must be lower than wave 1, and wave 4 must be lower than wave 2. And once wave 3 is lower than wave 1, and wave 4 is lower than wave 2, price should come all the way down to touch the channel connecting wave 1 and 3. Once price come all the way down and touch the channel connecting wave 1 and 3, then you have the perfect. The price should come all the way down and touches the channel connecting wave 1 or the trend line connecting wave 1. So as the price touches the trend line connecting wave 1 and 3, that's when you have the fifth wave. As long as wave 4 is lower than 2 and wave 3 is lower than wave 1, that's all you need. And for the price to touch the wave 1 and 3 channel or trend line, that's all. That is the perfect wave. Like we said before, you can trade under this pattern, follow this formation, and make thousands of pips. Now, stay tuned for our next video where we're going to show you how you're going to combine this powerful indicator